Welcome to Smoky Mountain Dogs. My name is Brad.
And special guest, Bill.
I'm a retired firefighter living in Wares Valley, Tennessee. Join me as we build my food trailer and review local hot dog places in the Smoky Mountain area. Let's get it, Smoky Mountain Dog family.
Luke, I'm your father.
Hey, remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Catch you later. Okay, we are back and we're going to give you an update on the chainsaw event that's going on. Get you a closer look at some of the artists and some of the things that they're making. Yes. Oh, and it looks like the Mountain Brothers Brewing Company is now open. Let's check that out. Right. Hey, look, my shadow. Man, I'm a terrible. Look at that. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Now open. How you doing? Oh. It's locked up. I guess they probably open at noonish, 11ish or something like that. We'll try to get back in when they're open. Just painted, just finished a few days ago. Go see what JR is making. JR is like the staple. He is the year-round guy. This is his hub. He's the one that's putting on the event and invited all these folks to come out for this. Some of the stuff he's done in the last couple of days. Eagle, bear. Looks like he's doing another small bear today. And you can find all of JR's work inside the art gallery over here. Anything. Awesome. Bridget from Canada, Vancouver, Canada. Saw her start that fish yesterday, or whale. I'm not sure what it is. It's a trout. It's a trout. Looks like she's building a fin. That's what it is, a fin. Josh from Delaware. Now he's starting a brand new project, it looks like. The seriously large amount of bears are going to be carved this weekend. All this stuff is for sale. They have a big auction tomorrow, Sunday. It's another eagle. Oh, by the way, all these gals and girls, they eat my hot dogs. They love them. Now, Justin from Kentucky looks like he's fixing to start a new project. The detail on these are just phenomenal. Wow. Carving a bear with a trout in his mouth. Back there in the back. With a big eagle. Let's go take a look inside, and maybe some of y'all are curious about how much some of this stuff costs. We'll go take a look at a few items and see what things cost. Here's two bears and a log. It says welcome. $800. A lot of time, a lot of work goes into these. A lot of time and a lot of work. Oh, they have a fireman bear. They have a fireman bear. Oh. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Wow. Wow. Here's some smaller items in here. Cardinals, small bear and cardinal, $300. There's a replica of my big knife. Wow. And look how detailed these little things are. That must have been a baby chainsaw. But there it is. Pete is here making popcorn and pork rinds. This is incredible. He's getting things fired up for the day. Man. Look at that.
What do you guys today?
Pretty good. Best kettle corn I've ever had. Best kettle corn in Wares Valley and the Smoky Mountains. Right here. Huh? Yeah. Hey, let's go see if Pilgrim Pottery's open. They do have this cool area now where you can actually watch them work. Make their clay art.